राजीव जी, मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ और मैं यही देखने आया हूँ कि आप भी ठीक हैं और हैं, दिख भी रही हैं।
आपका बैंड भी बहुत दोनों बड़े हो गए हैं।
अच्छा, इट इज जस्ट ए टोकन ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट।
सोलर मूवमेंट। तो स्कूल का कंस्ट्रक्शन शुरू हो गया है लेकिन
Dear sisters and brothers, my pranam to all of you. It is a joy for me to visit Kanha Shantivanam again. It feels like a homecoming. I had the pleasure of inaugurating this campus in 2020, and I am happy to see how it has grown and flourished in these 3 years. It is now drawing visitors from all over the world, not just for heartfulness meditation, but to participate in many other noble endeavors that benefit humanity at large. It is truly a showcase of what can be achieved when the heart is our guiding light. Such a place would be difficult to create without a visionary leader like Daji. With his trademark humility and simplicity, Daji has been able to achieve something truly extraordinary. He remains an inspiration to all of us as he continues to work tirelessly for the spiritual upliftment of mankind in his role as the heartfulness guide. Sahaj Marg and the Heartfulness movement have been an important part of my life. I have long enjoyed the profound peace and solace offered by this simple practice. I am deeply grateful to Babuji Maharaj, who has bestowed on us this practical method of spiritual training, or sadhana, as taught to him by Lalaji. This year marks the 125th birth anniversary celebrations of Babuji Maharaj, and Daji has very graciously offered me the role of chairman of the celebrations committee. It is an honor for me to accept this responsibility. Together, we hope to make this a memorable year, not just for heartfulness, but for our entire human family. Let us use this opportunity of Pujya Babuji Maharaj birth anniversary celebrations and promise ourselves this year will be a revolution in our lives as our evolution will reach its pinnacle, and this will be our Guru Dakshina to our beloved Daji. Thank you all.